Black seed oil. Nigella sativa is a tiny blooming shrub native to Eastern Europe, the Middle East, and Western Asia with purple or white-tinged blooms. The shrub yields fruits with small black seeds, despite its unassuming appearance. For thousands of years, these black seeds have been employed in herbal medicines. Black seeds were even discovered in King Tut's tomb, confirming their historical significance for healing and protection. They're also used to flavor breads, curries, and pickles in the kitchen. The seeds have a bitter flavor that is similar to cumin or oregano when consumed. Black seed oil has showed potential in the treatment of a variety of ailments, including high blood pressure and asthma. It also has antifungal properties against Candida albicans, a yeast that can grow out of control in the body and cause candidiasis. Other health advantages of black seed oil include blood pressure reduction. Taking black cumin seed extract for 2 months has been demonstrated to lower blood pressure in patients with mildly increased blood pressure. High cholesterol reduction. Taking black seed oil has been demonstrated to lower cholesterol levels. It's high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help you keep your cholesterol in check. Linoleic and oleic acids are examples of these fatty acids. The amount of oils in the black seeds varies depending on where they are cultivated. Consumption of the crushed seeds may also produce consequences. Reducing inflammatory rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. Oral black seed oil may aid in the reduction of inflammatory rheumatoid arthritis symptoms. Reduced asthma symptoms. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties may help to alleviate asthma symptoms. Its ability to reduce airway irritation may also aid with bronchitis symptoms. Stomach upset relief. Eating black seeds or using black seed oil has been linked to a reduction in stomach pain and cramps. The oil can also aid in the reduction of gas, bloating, and the occurrence of ulcers. In lab rats, portions of black seed oil known as thymoquinone and other seed potions were able to inhibit tumor growth. The oil may also assist to lessen the tissue damage caused by radiation used to eliminate cancer cells. However, these findings have not been tested in humans. Black seed oil should not be used in place of standard cancer treatments. Beauty benefits of black seed oil. To boost skin moisture and hydration, black seed oil has been used to oils and moisturizers. Wound healing. Black seed oil has been demonstrated to help wound healing by reducing inflammation and the presence of microorganisms. While it does not appear to aid in the synthesis of new collagen fibers, it does stimulate other growth factors in the body, which aid in the creation of new, healthy skin. Studies have indicated that using black seed oil reduces the occurrence of psoriasis plaques. According to the Journal of Dermatology and Dermatologic Surgery, using a lotion containing 10% black seed oil for 2 months considerably reduced the occurrence of acne. The study's participants indicated a satisfaction rate of 67%. Black seed oil should not be used in place of prescribed medications from your doctor. However, it does have certain cosmetic benefits that can be used in conjunction with these therapies to improve your skin.